is this you? You're sitting at the computer, your eyes glued to the screen, or you're looking down at your smartphone, hunched over, your pelvis is tilted. You feel like you've been teleported back to 15th century France. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 exercises that are going to help you reverse that kyphotic, hunchback-like posture. Okay, no offense to anyone that actually has a structural hunchback, but if you just have more of like a circumstantial hunchback, you know, that rounding of the shoulders, these moves are going to help you. Okay, so we're going to start with a hip flexor stretch. Okay, 30 seconds stretch. Fifteen more seconds. I do a little bit of a twist to my torso. Okay, switch sides. Fifteen more seconds. Great. Second exercise is called a camel pose. It's kind of like a baby camel pose. So it's yoga. So we're going to do a back bend, all right? You're going to tuck your toes. Okay, there we go. Tuck your toes under, palms on your sacrum. The sacrum is that bony part on your butt, right between. All right, at the lower part of your spine, the lumbar spine, and then you have 3 vertebrae, which is like the sacrum right here. So your hands are right there. And you're going to bend back. You're going to take 5 breaths, okay, normal breaths. Keep your head neutral. Three, 4, 5. Okay, here comes the hard one. YTW exercise, all right? That's the third one. So we're going to start, you're on your stomach, you're prone on your stomach, like this, okay? Follow along. So first you do Y 10 times. Thumbs up. Okay. T, thumbs up. And W. That's it. You could do this a little differently, like this, to make it easier. So just W's and Y's, like wall angels, 10 times. And then do the T's. All right, you can finish with a upward dog like this, and we're done. Okay? I'll see you on the next video.